How to delete copied messages in WhatsApp. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you on how to delete copied messages in WhatsApp. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's begin. First of all, launch WhatsApp application on your device. Make sure that you sign in to your account. Navigate to particular chat where you want to copy or delete the copied messages. For demo, let's long press on a particular message and then tap three dots at top right. From this drop down, tap on copy and your message has been copied. To delete this, tap on the message bar at bottom of your screen. Tap on the 4 cube icon at bottom center of your keyboard. Here you will see different option. Simply you need to choose the clipboard option. And here you will see on the recent there is the copied message. To delete it, long press on this message and tap on delete button. And with this, you will successfully delete your copied messages in WhatsApp. I hope this guide worked, and if you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.